are here in Glendale. We are meeting Persian friends and they are taking us out to Raffi's Kabob. They are the best kebab place in town.
Should we just valet or
Just park. You don't know where they park it.
no? They park it at the structure across also.
You decide.
No. There's COVID.
Closed before, I think, from what I remember.
Yeah, pedestrian street now.
There's traffic. So we are going there. Look, it's a beautiful like pedestrian. Oh, actually, Raffi's is here, right here. Yeah, there. We're going that. That is the way to Raffi's. It's a nice pedestrian like lane. That used to be a Filipino restaurant. Now it's Jan Korean barbecue. And that blue one used to be a theater. We used to watch a movie there. Wow, we're taking the stairs. It's pretty like, yeah. Oh, not that bad. And there's always a wait.
Hi guys.
We are here at Raffi's place in Glendale. They are on Michelin, not starred. I think maybe like just Michelin Guide 2019. Josh, we're still waiting.
I don't remember the name.
Raffi's.
Ready? One, clap, two, clap, hang, kick, clap. So then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do 2 times on each side. So now we're going to do 1, 2, and then 2 pancakes. So every one is going to be...
This is a yogurt tray.
Persian.
Persian yogurt tray.
Ash resti.
Ash resti.
It's a lentil or
The noodles that she was talking about. There's chickpeas. And then this one is garlic. Just like that. See? And this one is called cash.
Cash.
This is, I think this is cash. This is cash. The top is the same, but there's
This one is... Oh, this is eggplant, right?
yeah.
This is eggplant, my favorite. Yum yum. This is the rice.
You guys, we got so much.
I know.
Mom did.
There's a lot of kebab there. Oh my, there's way more.
Do we need another table? Is that okay?
It's enough for all of us.
Yeah.
This is the kebab. The rice, and there's a lot of food.
That's a chicken kebab.
No, this one is for Josh. Tomorrow is for
Goodness kebab. A lot of different kebabs. There's one. Josh, going up a lot of kebab.
Oh, we can put this in the middle.
Hi Josh, how are you?
See Coconut Grove.
We're going home now.
The Grove.
Oh, look. Miss Philippines USA is going to be here. Here. They always use this for like Philippine like shows from like Filipino shows.
JD.
So I am preparing the shirazi salad. We have our this is actually not leftover. This was ordered like separately last night from Raffi. Is Subsi. I can't remember anymore. Husband is watching Barca, so he is like saying stuff there. And then the rice, the kebab. So this is like sultani. It's a bigger size because this is more of like a catering size, and it has filet mignon and chicken. So Josh's aunt ordered this for him. We are making shirazi salad, so let's harvest cucumbers and tomatoes. We have cucumbers here. We have we have butternut squash here, and we have more like butternut squash over there. But anyway, we're here to harvest the cucumbers. These two. Let's do this quick because it's really hot. These two. This one is like ripe. So now let's harvest like tomatoes. Are here. Oh my, it's hot. It's really hot today. This one is ripe. This one, and we have a lot of yellow tomatoes on the other side. Oops. Look, they are like really high up here now. I'm here under the fig tree. Let's prepare the salad. So the cucumbers, let's use the cucumbers from the garden. So lemon is out of season now. What we have now are like still green. So this is how I kind of like preserve the lemons. So we have lemons like year round. I just like squeeze them and then freeze them. So these are like freshly squeezed like lemons, and I put them on the drink too. Look. So this is like pure lemon. So since this is salad, I'll just put it there. Probably so it will melt. Maybe. And then it's like, it's very easy too. You can just put this on your drink or on your tea, or like you can use it as a candy, right? It's vitamin C, and it's very easy to take it off from this like tray. I am going to warm the rice. Basmati rice like with saffron, and then the kebab, I'll just like use half, and then half probably like tomorrow or Monday, because this is a lot. But I'm going to warm them on the air fryer. Let's warm this like rice first. So this one, I'm just going to warm this here on the air fryer, but I'll only use half. So half the chicken, and then half of like, there are like 2 tomatoes, so only 1 tomato, and then half of the like the pepper, and then half of the chicken, and then a filet mignon. Half of this, and then half of the. I love beef. Chicken is like really good, it's really good too, but I love beef more for the kebab. And then half the chicken. It looks so beautiful outside. It's sunny and so breezy, but like when you go outside, it's really hot. It's like triple digits right now. I'll show you. Look at our grapes. And the sunny sky. Here's our lunch. Kebab chicken and filet mignon kebab, and then tomato and cucumber salad from the garden, and then basmati rice with saffron. Let's eat.